Mardi Gras!
Don't take your shirt off.
Why do you think I got all these, man?
Oh, well, maybe I could have done that.
That's just cool right there. Stop it. Y'all looking festive, man. Man, me a prize, man. No, I'm good. That's Sir Mardi Gras right there.
Baked with love.
Girls be hungry.
Yeah.
Looking good, looking good.
Mary and the Jets.
Find out that they're in the front. Oh, well, maybe I could have done that.
Rail bikers, look at them. There he is. Uh-oh. Santa done trimmed his beard after Christmas, I guess.
After Christmas.
It'll grow back out. Yeah. Cupcakes.
Cupcake. Cupcake.
It's showtime. He got it.
Hey, Drew.
Look like the real deal.
A 50-mile-an-hour curve. I can do it at 100 and it don't scare me, but probably scares whoever's riding on the back.
And I see they don't want to ride with you no more either, do they? Oh, you're looking all festive. Heck yeah. Yeah, where there's poster board right there. That's just cool right there. Oh, no. That's it, man.
Hey.
And what is your name, miss? Man, I can see you coming.
How you doing?
Looking good, looking good.
Yeah.
You know, I grunt that. I grunt when I get my leg over too. Terry made it. What's up, buddy?
I made it, man.
Hey. All right now. All right. How y'all?
Hello, how are you?
All right. All right. Yo. Oh, it goes way on back on it.
What's up? Mardi Gras!
ET's mom right there.
Yes, it is. Mine are from China. Hey, do this.
Put them on.
They're backwards.
Oh my goodness.
Happy Mardi Gras.
Love it. You are the white prince. Oh, what's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Oh, yeah! Hell yeah, brother! You having fun? Yeah, I don't think so.
It's an ultra pod.
Thanks for coming.
Stop it. Stop
Stop it. Thank you very much.
That's how I felt. That's how I felt when I stood over there.
They heard I was coming, you know, Byron Rides. You riding the bike today?
No, I ride in the golf cart.
Oh, the golf cart.
And the motorhome, we're staying out here. Yeah.
How are you?
How you doing?
Hey, you need to keep your shirt on. Don't take your shirt off.
How do you think I got all these, man?
Oh my God. Y'all doing good?
Yeah.
Good to see y'all, man.
You too.
Y'all